This is a short tutorial on how to access the Member Centre of the new Green Life Industry Australia website. On the top right hand corner you'll find the Member Centre button where you can actually come through. It'll take you to this login screen. Now we have in a previous video shown how you set up your password for your account. So in this one we'll assume that you have that to hand. And in this one, I'm just going to log in with these particular credentials for this particular account. And paste in our password and log us in this way. So you can save that through there. You can see it says welcome back. And what we're going to actually do today is just look at how we can update our membership details. So that's perhaps changing some of our communications preferences or our details through there. Now, you can find these are the details that are registered for our particular organisation in this instance. So you can find what's available through there. You can edit these details. So say if I wanted to add a contact phone number, I can also access invoices and event registrations from the past from here as well. So that's just some of the options that you have for updating your member details via the Member Centre.